Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by mixing 2 cups flour, 1 TSB yeast, 3/4 cup warm water at 105-110 degrees F, 1 TSB salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. This balance gives structure and flavor. Once combined, knead about 5 to 7 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic because gluten development traps gas and creates chew. Make sure to oil the bowl lightly. Cover the dough and let it rise 45 to 60 minutes until doubled. This first rise builds volume and taste, so be patient. Once the dough has doubled, punch it down and divide if making more than 1 pizza. This evens the crumb. You should preheat the oven to 475 degrees F with a pizza stone or an inverted baking sheet inside because high, retained heat gives a crisp crust. Stretch the dough to a 10 to 12 inch diameter, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Fewer toppings prevent a soggy center. Then spread sauce thinly, sprinkle cheese, and arrange toppings with space for steam to escape. You transfer the pizza to the preheated stone or sheet and bake 8 to 12 minutes. Watch for a golden crust and bubbling, lightly blistered cheese because those visuals mean proper caramelization. Rotate the pizza once halfway through to ensure even browning, and if you have a thermometer, aim for a crust temperature near 200 degrees F for doneness. Once done, cool 2 to 3 minutes to set the cheese, slice with a sharp wheel, and serve. If the bottom burns, lower the oven temp by 25 degrees F next time and bake a bit longer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.